uptrend. If you buy, unfortunately, this candle suddenly, I don't know why, whenever you buy, becomes black, yes or no? See, I was reading a mind, you see. So, instead of a white, what happens? It becomes a topping tail, yes or no? With a black body, correct? Now, although the trend is up, but because you may have bought here, maybe you may have bought here, it came down, it's a black body. Now, what is happening is you're already sitting on a negative account, yes or no? Or a negative trade. Now, you don't have the patience to wait. Why? Your fear is, what if the next candle is black and black and black, and then you want to exit over here itself, yes or no? Right? Even though the trend is up. So, I have designed an indicator wherein the minute you enter, the trade will be positive. I repeat, design an indicator wherein the minute you enter, the trade will be positive. However, here's the trick. You cannot be greedy. I mean, what does this mean? It means this. Okay? The trick is, let's say, like for example, you notice this was very small, now it's become big. Notice it? Right? Earlier it was very small candle, now it's become what? A big candle. Okay? Now, you see, it's going up further. Can you see that? Yeah? Now, the trick is this. The drawback of this indicator is, it cannot spot double top and double bottom. Write it down. The drawback of this indicator is, it cannot spot double top and double bottom. What does that mean? It means, although this is a buy, but if you look at the 30-minute chart, what is happening? It is almost nearing the what? The top, yes or no? Hello? Right? So this trade, although it is going up, what you need to do is this. The minute you make money, okay, let's assume you bought 10 mini contracts. The minute you are in the money, depending on the time frame. Now, this alert will flash on 15-minute, 30-minute and 1 hour time frame. Okay? The target profit for 15-minute is 5 pips. The target profit for 30-minute is 10 pips, and for 1 hour is 15 pips. What do I mean by this? What I mean is, the minute you see the arrow, it will immediately give you, on a 30-minute time frame, it will immediately give you 10 pip profit. Hello? But that's it. No wait. Game over. Okay? So here's what you need to do. The minute you make 10 pips profit, this is what you do. If you do 10 mini, close 90%. Close 90%. Keep only 10%. Are you with me? The way the indicator is designed is, the minute you see the arrow, you buy, boom, it gives you 10 pip profit. Are you with? On which time frame? 30 minutes. Are you with? But the minute you make this profit, you exit 90%. You keep only 10%. Why? Because this is what happens. It will go up, and you notice when you buy, you are also making money. But what happens? As you wait into the trade, what happens? It becomes a topping tail. Yes or no? Have you noticed that? I repeat. You see, when you are buying, as soon as you buy, maybe it goes up, you're making money, you're happy. But now you're waiting for more money. Yes or no?
Yes.
As you're waiting for more money, what happens? What happens to this candle? It becomes like this. Ivy? Becomes a topping tail. Ivy? If you had exited at that very moment when you were making money, would you be happy? Yes or no? Come on. Right? Now the question is, you can still stay in the trade. Unfortunately, your emotion does not allow you to stay in the trade. Ivy? But let's say you close 90%. On a half an hour chart, you make 10 pip profit. Assuming you do 10 mini contracts. If you make 10 pip profit and you exit 90%, which means you exit 9, how much do you make? 9 times 10, how much do you make? You're sitting on $90 profit, yes or no? On a standard lot, how much are you making now? 900, correct? Now you're having how many positions open? One position. That one position that you have, if you were to lose $900, the currency has to drop by how many pips? Come on. 90 pips. Hello? Are you with me? So, even if this candle becomes black, you're still positive. Are you with me? Come on.
Yes.
As a result, you will continue to stay in the trade. Are you with me?
But sometimes don't believe you.
Don't believe me?
Yeah.
Because every single trade cannot be 100%. Are you with me?
I think, but I keep that 10% in 0.01. You know how much I lost? $300.
Now that's because if you lose beyond what you made, then obviously that's foolishness. Are you with me? Hello? The whole idea is what? Because if this is black, obviously if the next candle is also black, your job is to what? Exit, right? What did I teach you? Okay. Now let me teach you how to stay in the trade. How to stay in the trade? As long as the candle is what? Doesn't go below the previous candle. Are you with me? If it stays within the previous candle, you can continue to hold position. Are you with me? The minute it goes below previous candle, then you quit, correct? Remember what I taught you? Yeah? So, for example, over here, this candle, assuming, you see? Do you notice that? Hello? Do you notice that? Right? So now on this candle, easily you would have made 10 pips, got it? But it is reaching the what? It's reaching the top. The minute it reaches the top, the indicator doesn't know it has reached the top. I mean, that's the drawback of the indicator. So what is your job? Your job is to close 90%. Okay? Keep only 10%. Why keep 10%? What if this does a breakout? Hello? Are you with me? If this does a breakout, there will come a time when on this 10%, you will earn the same amount of money that you made on the 90%. Hello?
Yes.
Got it? And if you're wrong, you still have $900. Are you with me? You see it's breaking out. Can you see this? So what would have happened? You would have closed 10%. You would have closed 90%. You would have kept 10%. Right? And now you're running your profit. Are you with me? But assuming it was the reverse, you buy over here, and from there it comes down after touching the top. What would have happened? Do you still have $900 in your account? Yes or yes? Come on.
Yes.
Yes. So is that your buffer? So now, how do you manage that? For example, this. You see this green arrow? This green arrow easily gave you 10 pips. Are you with me? Got it? So you exit how much? 90%, correct? You still have 10%. Now on this candle, that 10% would be losing money. You agree with me? But it will not bother you. Why will it not bother you? Because on this you have already made $900. I'm assuming you've done Let's say you've done 10 standard. If 10 standard is too big, let's say 10 mini. Maybe 10 mini means you're sitting on $100 profit. Yes or no? But you close 9. That means you're sitting on $90 profit. Got it? Now this one contract that you have, it is coming down. It has to drop by 90 pips. Are you with me? Till and until it doesn't drop by 90 pips, it doesn't bother you. Hello? Whereas previously what used to happen? The minute you buy, on this candle you're making money, right? But you don't book your profit. You agree with me? Because you don't book your profit, the next candle comes down. Assuming you had bought over here in the middle of this candle, this comes down. Now whatever you have made is also gone. Yes or no? You getting it now? So you exit 90%, you keep 10%. Now, two things will help you to not be emotional. Number one, you're already making money. Yes or no? Number two, what I taught you? Whenever you see a black candle, if this candle is within the previous candle, stay. Yes or no? You remember? So you stay. Now you have 10%, correct? What happens to the 10%? It's going up. Now you are making more money on the 10%. Are you with me? And you can continue to hold the trade. And even if it comes down, guess what? Your profit is still there. Are you with me? Hello? You getting it now? So I have given you an indicator. Basically, the minute you buy, you will straightway see money. Are you with me? But you cannot get greedy. Why? Because I clearly told you 15 minutes, 5 pips. You make 5 pips, close 90%. Are you with? 30 minutes, 10 pips, 1 hour, 15 pips. Just close. That's it. Don't ask for more. Are you with? The remaining 10% you keep. Got it? And then, very important, if it is at the top, you have to be very careful because the indicator doesn't know it has reached the top. Are you with? Also, drawing trend lines are very, very important. So, for example, over here, if I draw this trend line over here, and if I reduce this, okay, if I reduce this, what do I get? Yes, I get a triangle. Triangle is what pattern? A continuation pattern. I mean, forgot? Right? So if it breaks and goes up, it will continue to go up. I mean, yeah. So what I've done is I've made it very easy for you. For example, right now it is showing US Yen M15. US Yen M15. So I will go to US Yen M15 over here. Okay, you have to make sure that whatever is popping up here, make sure you see the arrow over here. Are you with? Yeah? If you don't see the arrow, you will not do the trade. Okay? So make sure you see the pop-up and the arrow. Okay, next is New Zealand Yen M15. There. You saw that? Okay, so just imagine, okay, I'll just do this trade. You see, how much did I make? Now it's not willing to close. You see? You see, it's not allowing me to close at all. There, close. You see that? Come on, you're supposed to clap. Hello? Huh?
Did you do it, make it down?
Did I make it down?
Yes.
How can I push the currency down? Hello?
You are a big trader. You.
I just did one standard. Hello? Right? So did you just see? The minute the arrow came, the currency dropped. Are you with me? Right? So when you see this indicator coming, guys, remember, if you're doing 15 minutes, immediately you will make 5 pips, get out. Are you with me?
Okay.
Got it? As soon as you get out, keep 10%. Are you with me? The remaining, now if this continues to fall and fall and fall, are you still making more money? Come on.
Yes.
Getting it now? Hello? Okay, so I want all of you to practice. Let me go to the other room and help them.